A matchup of two hungry, young, surprising playoff contenders, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. 7-4, 8-4, and the New York Giants 7-4-1 meet before a sellout crowd at Giant Stadium. And we know about the Tampa Bay weather jinx, which has stymied them. They've never won when the temperature was 42 degrees or less. It's 45, whatever that means today, as we welcome Giant Stadium along with Matt Millen. I'm Dick Stockton, and who would have thought that at this stage of the race, hard to believe, really, that the Bucs and the Giants have so much at stake in the game today, Matt.
Well, when you look at them for where they came a year ago, you'd say that. But if you looked at their team and how they're constructed, specifically with that defense, then you have a better feel for them. Because I got to tell you, any team that I've ever been on that did anything, 4 Super Bowls and championships, you always start with a solid defense, and both these teams have that.
Now, the Bucs have never won in New York against the Giants or Jets in 9 previous games. And whenever you talk to any of the coaches, including Jim Fassel, they keep on saying they're mirror images of one another. Do you agree?
Yes, I do. To be honest with you, they both play solid defense. They both play conservative offense. They don't put themselves in a bad position, and they hand the football off, which is interesting because Charles Way is really having himself a really good year. And then Mike Allstott on the other side. And when you get a game like this, and they do mirror each other, and defenses is big plays become a factor. And for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, they have a guy in Warrick Dunn who can make big plays.
He sure can. And right now down on the field with Tony Dungy, the Bucs head coach, is Curt Menefee. Curt?
All right, Coach, what's it going to take for your team to succeed, and what's a big conference game for you coming off a tough loss last week in Chicago?
Well, the Giants are playing really well. We've got to take care of the football, not turn it over, and we've got to find a way to stop their running game.
All right, good luck to you today, Coach.
Thank you.
All right, onward and upward to Dick Stockton. Dick.
All right, Curt, thank you very much. And if he asked Jim Fassel, he probably would say the same thing. We'll have the late scores for you when we return to Giant Stadium.